Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking in roles and immediate goals. Choose a leader who offsets weak party stats, then assemble 6 supplies and 3 food so you can move 2 spaces on turn 1. Once set, draw and reveal the first exploration card and resolve hazards immediately. This forces early decisions and prevents later deadlocks. Make sure to commit one player to scouting movement and use a tool now rather than hoard it. Early progress creates momentum for the hazardous middle section. Once you've forced early momentum, you must balance travel with attrition. You manage risks by choosing when to spend supplies to gain extra movement versus conserving for later hazards. Make sure to resolve hazards using team synergies, trade food between players, or spend a tool to avoid severe loss, because cumulative damage compounds quickly. Also, maintain 3 research progress markers as checkpoints and use camps strategically to rest, redistribute supplies, and reset stamina before tackling longer exploration sequences. As you enter the final stretch, focus on guaranteed movement to secure the exit rather than gambling on uncertain encounters. You should spend remaining tools to negate critical hazards and heal or sacrifice non-essential crew to keep the leader alive. Once you reach the exit, double-check research markers to confirm victory conditions. If things go wrong, don't collapse. Retrace 1 space to a camp, rest to restore stamina, reorganize supplies, then push with clearer priorities and fewer risks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.